Welcome to our Cinematic Storycraft English Learning YouTube channel.
Emily, is that you?
Jake, I can't believe it's really you.
How long has it been?
Too long, Jake. Far too long.
You haven't changed at all.
Neither have you. Still that charming smile.
Do you remember the last time we saw each other?
How could I forget? It was right here in this hotel.
So many memories in this place.
Feels like yesterday, doesn't it?
We've been through a lot since then.
Life took us in different directions, but here we are.
What have you been up to all these years?
Traveling, working, trying to find myself. You?
Same. Work kept me busy, but I always thought about you.
You did. I thought you forgot about me.
Never. You were always on my mind.
That's sweet, Jake. I missed our talks.
Remember the plans we made?
Oh, the crazy ones. How could I forget?
We were so full of dreams back then.
We still are, Jake. Maybe different dreams now.
Do you regret anything?
Not really. Life taught me a lot. You?
Same here. No regrets, just lessons.
It's good to hear that.
You still have that spark, Emily.
And you still know how to make me smile.
Let's not lose touch again.
Agreed. I don't want another long gap.
Do you remember our favorite cafe?
Yes, we spent hours there talking.
Maybe we should visit again, for old time's sake?
I'd love that. Let's make it a plan.
What's changed in your life?
I'm more confident, more sure of myself. You?
I've become more patient, I think.
Life does that to us, doesn't it?
Do you ever wonder what could have been?
Sometimes, but I'm happy where I am.
It's good to see you happy.
You too, Jake. You look content.
I guess I found peace with time.
That's the best thing one can find.
Are you still into art?
Absolutely, it's my escape. You?
Music still keeps me going.
I knew it. You were always so passionate about it.
And you, always the artist at heart.
Some things never change, right?
Do you ever think about those days?
All the time. They were the best.
We had something special, didn't we?
We did. And I'm glad we're reconnecting.
Do you believe in second chances?
I do. Life always gives us another shot.
Maybe this is our second chance.
Maybe it is, Jake.
Do you think we'll stay in touch this time?
I'm sure we will. We're not kids anymore.
True. We've grown up, haven't we?
But deep down, we're still the same.
I've missed having someone who understands me like you do.
Same here, Jake. It's rare to find that connection.
Do you still have those wild dreams?
Oh, absolutely. I'll never stop dreaming.
I like that about you.
And I like that you always believed in me.
I always knew you'd do amazing things.
You believed in me when I didn't believe in myself.
That's what friends are for, right?
Yes, and I'm so grateful for that.
What's next for you, Emily?
I'm not sure yet, but I'm excited to find out. You?
I'm taking it one day at a time.
That's the best way. No rush, just life.
I hope we can make more memories together.
We will. This is just the beginning.
Do you ever wonder how different things would be if we stayed in touch?
Sometimes, but I think we're right where we're supposed to be.
Maybe life had a plan after all.
It usually does, doesn't it?
I'm glad we're here now, though.
Me too, Jake. Better late than never.
So, what's your next adventure?
Maybe catching up with an old friend more often.
That sounds like a plan I can get behind.
You better. No disappearing this time.
No chance of that.
Good, because I'm not letting you off that easy.
Do you think things happen for a reason?
I do. I think we were meant to meet again.
Then let's make the most of it this time.
Absolutely. No more missed moments.
I'm looking forward to catching up more.
Me too, Jake. It's been too long.
Here's to new beginnings.
And making up for lost time.
I'm glad you're back in my life.
Same here, Jake. Same here. If you enjoyed the video, drop a heart in the comments. Comment your feedback, like, and subscribe our channel